then, you know, Mike can't take care of himself.
Yeah.
But I left that situation, you know, that it bothered me, you know, and I didn't do anything else. I didn't say anything else, you know. I didn't step up saying, hey, let's go get you some help or something like that, you know.
That may have been the wrong thing to say.
No, yeah, I know. So, you know, a lot of emotions that, and I'm still kind of having those kind of emotions. I'm trying not to cry right now. But, I was there with Mike. I said, my brother was an alcoholic. I was like, what I saw back there was like the times that I would see my brother be like. That's how bad this was. That's what it reminded me of. You know? Like when Jerry would get all strung out, you know, and be like, oh, well, fucking blah, 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 me, and blah, 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 blah. And then just, you know, because like whenever right before he cut himself, he was saying, he goes, if nobody cares then, you know. To me, yes, he's crying out for help. He's just trying to get attention. That's how I look at it. But it doesn't mean that he couldn't have been violent to me.
Yeah.
You know, because I mean, I don't know how many times Jerry threatened to kill me or my family. You know, never abusive to me, but threatened. You know, so that's just all in my head was like, I don't know how to fucking deal with this shit, man. So, I guess it's kind of PTSD from, you know, my childhood or something, man. Joe was like, he's like, where was I? And I said, I don't know, Joe, but I said, I know that, I know for a fact that if you would have seen it, you probably would have been on the phone with security right then. If you even heard him. Joe wasn't there. Joe would have heard him. I'm surprised they didn't hear him over there, but, you know, they have machines running and stuff like that. And, Jamie came back there a little bit later to see how I was doing, because I was writing down my statement and stuff like that. Mark had gotten gloves from the IT people. They had extra gloves. They had a baggie. He put the knife in the baggie. They took him down. I guess what happened was that, from what Adam was telling me, Caleb left, went to the office, says, hey, John's on his way down here. John stormed in and just reamed Mark out. Talked about how it's all Mark's fault, that he's on second shift, and how, you know, it's a hostile work environment and all this other stuff, blah, 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 which he's always talked about. This is a hostile work environment. No, it's not. You're making it, you know. And when Mark came back talking to us something about this, he goes, well, I've tried to tell you guys need to, like, talk to HR about him.
Yo, fucker, you need to talk to fucking HR about him. You're the fucking manager. You do it.
That's why I'm mad.
This shit should never have gotten this far. The second he exploded at somebody, something should have been done. And if it kept happening, he should have been gone.
So, that's what he was telling us. He was just like, well, he's like, you know, he's like, this should have been taken care of a long time ago.
Yes, you should have done that.
Yeah. He's like, HR wouldn't listen to me about anything. No, I don't think they would. You know, because you talked about, well, he said that a little bit later on when he was talking to me, that he said that he had asked if he was hard of hearing. And they're like, oh, well, you're not supposed to ask that. He goes, why am I not supposed to know that? If we work in a factory, I have to know if the person's hard of hearing so they don't get hit by a, you know, I think probably the mannerism that you probably said it in your fucking head.
Yeah.
But Jamie came back there and I said, Jamie, his face was as red as your hair. I was like, it was so scary. And I said, you know, I had to get out of the situation. That's why I went to go see you guys. She goes, Julie, I knew something was wrong. And she's like, just the way that you looked. She's like, you had no complexion or anything. And, Mark told us that he had to leave because he had to go home to do something. And,
of course.
But then I saw him a little bit later, and I'm like, Mark hasn't left yet. Well, I guess he's like, well, now I have to go hear it from my wife about how I didn't do this, but I wanted to make sure that he left okay, and that everybody else is okay.
So your wife knows you're dumb fuck.
So Adam had